How to change App Store country. Hey everyone, it's me Jessica from Create, Login and Delete. So let's get started with the tutorial. First of all, open the App Store on your mobile device. Now, once inside the App Store, all you have to do is tap on the profile icon of yours at the top right corner of your screen. If you do not have any profile picture, then it will be an initial. Then tap on your name at the top. Then simply click on the country/region option available there. Once you tap on it, it might take few moments for the option to load on your screen. Then you will get to see change country or region in the blue highlights on your screen. Tap on it. Once you tap on it, you will get to see the long list of countries option available on your screen. Scroll down and tap on the one you want to change it to. You can choose any according to your preferences or according to the country you live on. Once you tap on it, you will be navigated to agree the terms and conditions. Simply tap on the agree at the top right corner. Now, once you do so, you will have to accept the terms and enter a valid payment method. But if you do not have any payment method, then you can simply tap on the none option available there and enter some basic information of the country such as phone number, addresses, postal code, zip code, and that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.